Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love.
Welcome.
Hi, I'm Joe Vibes, and
I'm Peter Mick.
you're so white.
Bruh.
This is a video of Celebrity Smash.
Or pass.
Okay. So you wanna go first?
Sure. Okay. So,
You're a weirdo.
hi. How you doing?
Boy, if you don't...
Would you smash? Or pass? George Clooney.
George Clooney. Now? Like, who he is now?
No, back then.
Back then? Definitely Smash.
Okay. I don't know. Whatever floats your boat. Who would you smash? Would you smash or pass? Brad Pitt.
I would pass.
Oh, shit. Damn. Sorry, Brad. Sorry, brother. What's up? What's up? What you got for me? What you got for me?
Your mom's a hoe.
Would you smash or pass Beyonce?
Listen! You should.
No.
Why?
I just don't like her. Never liked her. Next.
Would you smash or pass Madonna?
Here's your paddle. I'm sure you have one, but this is.
Can we spank each other with
Yes,
it?
you can. You can do whatever you want.
Madonna?
Yes.
The wrinkly?
No, not this Madonna. You bugging, bruh. You got me up. You bugging, bruh.
Nah!
Nah, son.
We're not talking about
I'm talking about Madonna back in the day, son. What?
Nigga, did you know that I can see you?
Anyways.
Back to me.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking on your bitch.
Would you smash or pass Justin Timberlake?
Platonic relationship, which is why I can do this.
And it's why I can do this. Here are the nominees.
I would smash.
You know what?
His music speaks to my soul.
Okay, what about Mark Zuckerberg?
All right, Jarvis, I'm taking off. Can you start the dishwasher, turn off the house, and let Priscilla know I'm on my way?
You got it, Mark.
Ew. Even though I like Facebook. But
I mean, the dude is rich. You passing on that?
yeah, I don't care. Would you smash or pass J-Lo?
Yes.
I still didn't get any.
You don't?
Shoot some up and I'll get it.
Would you smash or pass Rihanna?
You know. Don't like her. Don't like her. To me, she got that evil vibe to her. Or was that Beyonce? It's one of them, but I don't like both of them. So, no. Would you smash or pass Robert? You got a problem with me saying Robert? Robert Downey Jr.
Yo!
I work for you.
You sound like Stewie when you try to say cool whip.
I taste better with Cool Whip. Say whip. Whip. I'll say Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. You're eating hair.
Alright.
Everybody going down.
Alright. Would you smash or pass Robert Downey Jr.? Like, let's get back to the question. Thank you.
I'll smash.
Would you smash or pass Kevin motherfucking Hart?
So mind your damn motherfucking business, bitch. Little stupid bitch. Little dumb teaching bitch. 2 + 2 not knowing what the fuck it is, bitch. Cross-eyed crying down your back, fat foot ass bitch. Long titty, no nipple having ass bitch.
I would smash Kevin. Follow me on Instagram, _vibes. Yeah, I would smash Kevin.
You forgot your Instagram, bruh.
Just because it's Kevin Hart, like you can't. It's hot in here. Okay, would you smash or pass Ariana Grande?
Yes, I'll marry her. What?
Get off Tumblr and stop comparing yourself to people who have spent 3 hours in hair and makeup and been photoshopped to death. Get along!
You talking about Ariana here? Hello?
She ain't got no meat in her. Why would you?
I don't care. I liked Ariana from the beginning since she was on Disney Channel.
Bruh.
Ariana was on Disney Channel?
Yeah.
What show?
She was on that show.
What show?
You know.
No, I don't. Ariana was never on Disney Channel.
Yeah, she was.
No, she was not. She was on Nickelodeon.
No, she was on Disney Channel.
She was on Victorious.
No. She was on Disney Channel. Alright, in the comment section.
below, tell us which one Ariana was in. Because I don't
Tell
know
us
what you tell
if Ariana Grande was on Disney
I'm
Channel
betting money.
or was she on
Victorious and Nickelodeon. Leave it down below. I'm betting money on this. You bugging out your brain, son.
Man, you bugging out your mind, sis.
I see.